Hey, welcome back to Discovering an L with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Hey, so I'm about to do something I've never done before. In fact, I'm kind of excited, maybe. Um, Better than normal. I wasn't planning on doing this video. In fact, the video that I'm going to be working on and will be out soon is going to be me learning about cricket. And after that, I'm going to learn about the great race, the race that stops a nation, I think you call it in Australia, the Derby. Looking forward to that. Is it a Derby? Probably just a horse race. I don't know if it's a Derby. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know. I don't do that stuff. But I do want to share something that happened today. So I'm actually sitting here in my office, and a guy comes by today and says, "Here's a package for me." I'm like, "Okay, cool." I mean, I'm used to getting packages at work. Um, but this one looked different. Check it out. It was that big old box. It was different than what I'm used to. And so I looked at it and hey, it is from Australia. That's right. One of you sent me a package, a care package from Australia. And the guys here at my office are excited. They say, "Well, we got to see what's inside." And I said, "Well, I can't just open it. I have to do it with you guys. You guys have to see what was sent to me." So I have it here. I did kind of cut around the box to take out the tape, so I don't have to worry about fiddling with that. But I haven't opened it yet to see what's inside, and I'm really, really excited because I did do a video reacting to Aussie foods. My wife and I did, um, and that's when I tried Vegemite for the first time. If you recall that fun part, you can check out that video. Actually, the link is going to pop up here somewhere. Um, but yeah, no, this came today, and I'm excited for it. It does come from her first name is Amanda, so Amanda, thank you very much. Without further ado, I'm excited. Let's open it up and let's see what Amanda sent me. And holy cow, it's a box full of stuff. Okay, let's take a look and see here. Everything in Ziploc baggies. That's kind of cool. I like that. All right, first thing we got. Red Rock Deli Honey Soy Chicken Deli Style Potato Chips. Never heard of Red Rock Deli. Okay, that's cool. Awesome. Hey, some more chips. The original Smiths. Now this wrapping, this packaging, I should say, looks familiar. It looks like Lay's. Is Smiths and Lay's the same thing? We have Lay's here. So we've got salt and vinegar, and we've got chicken. Okay, all right. Can't wait to try that as well. What else do we have here? We've got Ovaltinis. Ovaltinis. Neat. Again, never heard of this. This is so much better. I'm sorry, this is so much better than the one I ordered online. That is awesome. Let's see, Twisties cheese. I assume these are like just by feeling it, cheese puffs, I guess maybe or something. I don't know. I'll open it and find out. I can't wait to try that as well. I'm gonna run out of room here on my desk soon, I think. Oh, this looks good. Leamington fingers. Leamington fingers. Wow, they look delicious. I love coconut. This is an Aussie classic made with soft and fluffy sponge with a chalk and coconut coating. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that. That's gonna be a lot of fun. What else? Violet crumble. Now, I did try some of this in my reaction video. It was really good. Um, I love these. I can't wait to have some more of those. They are delicious. Absolutely delicious. What else do we have? We've got Pods Mars. Oh, I love Mars bars, but I've never heard of this before. Pods. This looks so friggin' cool. It's like a Mars bar inside of a wafer. Is that what that is? Or deliciously rich Mars caramel cradled in a crispy baked wafer, topped off with creamy milk chocolate. Oh, I'm about to gain 20 pounds here today. What else do we have? Maltesers. And we do have these here. My kids love Maltesers. I like them too, actually. They're pretty good. Curious to see if there's going to be a different taste, though, because I've learned that, your chocolate tastes so much better than ours. So much better than ours. What else we got? All right, we've got some cookies. Arnott's? Is it Arnott's? Kingston? That looks good. That looks good. Ooh, ooh. It's kind of like Oreos. These are Arnott's Delta Cream cookies. Look like Oreos. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay. I love soft chewy candy. Like that's my absolute. It's my kryptonite. Soft chewy candy. More than hard candy. And this is Allen's strawberries and cream, and I love strawberry flavored stuff and cream. Oh, wow. Okay, that is awesome. What else do we have? We've got interesting. The natural confectionery, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, sour squirms, like worms, I guess. Nice. Let's see. Flavor jelly confectionery ingredients: cane sugar, glucose syrup thickener, acid modified wheat starch. Interesting. Okay. I can't wait to try that. That's gonna be, again, soft chewy candies. I love it. Oh, so much stuff in here. I love these guys. Oh, I love these guys. I'm just grabbing a bunch of them because there's a bunch of them in here. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there's another one. And another one. And another one. Nope. I think I got them all. Fritos. Freddos. Is it Frito or Freddo? We've got some strawberry. Lots of strawberry. This one does just hundreds and thousands. So what is hundreds and thousands? Is that a different flavor? Maybe. Lots of strawberry too. That's really. Oh, see, I love strawberry. It's like you know me. Like, I Amanda. Oh, it's like you know me so well, and yet you don't. I got to start putting stuff on this side now because I'm running out of space on that side. All right. What else do we have? I feel like Christmas. All right. Let's see. We've got furry friends, Cadbury milk furry friends. That is so cute. Your Cadbury milk is better than our Cadbury milk. I'm just going to say that. We have Cadbury here too, but I think I remember somebody said something about Cadbury, and I think it's like, England as well as in Australia, is different than the Cadbury here, because the Cadbury in North America, Canada, and the US is actually manufactured through or owned by or something along the lines with Hershey, and Hershey makes their chocolate differently. So even though we have Cadbury here, it tastes different. So I'm super excited for that because there's so much more Cadbury stuff. Look at the strawberry. Dairy milk strawberry bites. Awesome. All right, more Arnott's. These are mint slices. See, we have Girl Guides here. I don't know if you guys have Girl Guides or the equivalent in Australia. I would imagine you do. And these right here cripple me every year. Girls come by with these, and it's like, all right, I'll take all of them. I don't know. What do you got? A wagon? How much for the wagon? They're so good. Oh, we got more soft gummies. The natural confectionery, another one. Snarkies or Snarks. Is it Snarks? Is it a Y? Snarky or Snarks? I don't know. Either way. Oh, snakes! Gee whiz. Read frickin' Predator, Kevin. You don't see cursive much anymore. Snakes. Yeah, I'm a bit of a doughhead. By the way, I'm still kind of like emotional over my last video I did, reacting to and the band played Waltzing Matilda, as well as the video from I Was Only 19. And some of you recommended in the chat to check out some other stuff that I know is going to make me, and I will, it's going to make me emotional. I'll watch them later, I promise. Just, I need to recover. I do. This is helping me recover, by the way. I like a kid right now, and it's like Christmas. All right. This is another dairy or Cadbury dairy milk mud cake. Dairy milk chocolate and dream white chocolate blended with rich chocolate flavored cream and biscuit pieces. Oh, special edition. Okay. Oh, and there's more. There's more. Stay with me. Stay with me. All right, I pulled out a couple of these earlier, so we got more of these. Ovaltines, tinies, teenies. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have here? Ooh. We've got Chomp Caramel. It's a monster chew. This looks like it's going to be good. Soft. Is it? No, it's not. Okay. Never mind. I thought it was going to be, see, when it said monster chew, I was thinking like Charleston chew. And it was like, they're soft. I was wondering if that was like it, but I almost felt like a bit more brittle, maybe, I guess. I don't know. Can't wait to try it. Curly Whirly from Cadbury as well. Oh, yeah, I got like the best Cadbury stuff. You know that, right? In case you've never been told. All right, here we go. I don't know what these are, but this is the last thing that's in this box. It is a bunch of these packets of Whiz Fizz. Whiz Fizz. We've got sherbet, original sherbet cookie cat. Oh, is this all like different flavors? This is original sherbet. It's orange. Is it? What is this? It's different flavors. It's not telling me. I don't know. Is it Cookie Kaz? Is one maybe? Nerdy Neil. Screaming Mimi. Dr. Freak. Oh, nice. And another one, she says original. And they're all different, but yeah. So are these like, is this like powdered candy? Like sugar? Almost like what we'd have here is like the dipsticks, I think they're called, or something like that. Right there. Lots of those. Listen, I'm not going to touch most of this until you tell me in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. How should I do this? Because I mean, last time when we did, my wife and I when we tried it, Aussie foods, there were some things in there that you all told us that we were doing wrong, the way we were partaking in it. So I want to do this right. I want to do this Aussie style. Let me know in the comments down below. How do I eat all of this stuff? Is there some special tips that you can give me? Is there any unique combinations that I should be putting together or whatnot? A lot of this is pretty plain and simple, right? Just stick it in your mouth and eat it. But some of it, I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I want to do this right, Aussie style. But there you go. This is my first ever unboxing video. I'm excited. That was so friggin' fun. I love that. I'm honored, by the way, Amanda. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Amazing. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate that. If anybody else wants to send me something, hey, I'll tell you what, I will add the address to my work. That's where you can send it to. That's where I'm at all day and half the evenings. If you ever want to send me something, hey, that's awesome. You don't have to. Don't ever feel obligated ever, please. That this is amazing. But if you do, I'll leave the address and yeah, we can go from there. Guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you, Amanda, big time, for this. If you see this video, Amanda, and you comment, let me know who you are in YouTube world. I'm not entirely sure, but let me know in the comments, and I'll pin your comments so everybody knows. And yeah, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye for now. Hey, you enjoyed that video? Well, if you did, check out this one down below. It was a lot of fun to make. I think you'll enjoy that one as well. And if you really enjoy the videos on my channel, be sure to hit that little icon over there. That allows you to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And hey, join us over on the Discord. It's a lot of fun over there as well.